How to log into Geico on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Geico's official website and click on Login at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on Login at the top right corner of your screen, again press on Login. After you've clicked on Login in here again, it will lead you to this page here. Simply add your email, user ID, or policy number. Then add your password. After you have added your password, press on Login at the bottom. And after you press on Login at the bottom, you will be logged into your Geico account. This is how to log into Geico on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.